Yeah, that's it.
That was so pretty.
It was just a little $3 dragon.
I'll hold the fire stick.
Okay. The fire stick. Okay, next is the Pure Fantasy. Let me get the fuse ready.
We're out doing fireworks.
Honey, I might need your nail.
Okay. Okay.
It's got a Mario on it.
Oh, cool.
Ah!
No.
Oh wow, I actually got right to where the other one was.
Cool.
Okay.
This is the Pure Fantasy?
Yep.
Alright, let's see what this does. I'm backing up. Because loud booms scare me. Because I'm already partially deaf. So, oh, here it goes. Get out of the frame, get out of the frame. Oh,
Ooh.
I like that.
Ooh. All right.
Oh, I like that. Oh,
Oh, cool.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! I didn't expect that.
I think there's more. Oh,
Move the bag!
Ooh, no. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Honey, move the bag!
It's fine.
Okay.
I think there's one more.
We keep backing up. Woo! Woohoo! That was awesome.
That was really awesome. Okay, let's do a few sparklers. Because we want to save the best for last.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is the green and the blue.
Okay. I'm not going to vlog the sparklers because that's just sparklers.
Yeah.
But I will the last one from afar because I'm sure that was going to scare me.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Here we are, New Year's Eve 2016, and we're about to shoot off the Rainbow Gala, our big expenditure. Oh, hold on. That was pretty.
I don't like those.
Final.
And I'm moving way back because I don't know if this is going to make a boom boom or not.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow! I'm like having to move back to get it all in frame. Woo! Woohoo!
That was amazing.
And that was our finale. Okay. And that was it, y'all. These are him doing some sparklers. Well,
The light.
are you sure those aren't the sticks?
Yeah, they're too short. They're just taking a while.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, they're green though.
Well, that lighter's down. No, you threw it in the water.
Ah, smoke. Really fine, the grass is really wet.
Happy New Year, everyone! It's 12:01 here in Texas. I know it's New Year already in most of the world, but it's New Year's here right now. So I hope y'all enjoyed the little fireworks that we did. It was fun, and Justin had fun.
And had my first New Year's kiss.
Yes. So we're gonna go home, have a little drink, and just watch TV until we go to sleep.
Yeah, or maybe a movie.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Movie, TV, something. So, Happy New Year.